Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, my name is Pallavi and today it is going to be an Ajio haul as the title suggests. So I love shopping from Ajio. I feel they have really good collection of clothes that too in like affordable prices. You will get something for yourself under 100 rupees, under 200 rupees. So I got some tops for myself which are very cute and there is one dress as well. So if you want to know what's in store for today's video, then keep on watching. Okay, so the first top that we have today is the one that I'm wearing right now, which is a very beautiful cute tank top. It's a crop top and it has some ruched kind of detailing on the sides for the perfect fitting. It has some eyes printed all over it, which is very beautiful, different types of eyes, and the color is very subtle. The prints are very subtle. जब मैंने order किया था तो मुझे लगा था कि कुछ over the top ना आ जाए, लेकिन ये बहुत अच्छा आया और fitting is very nice as well and the material is kind of sheer but it's very soft. लेकिन आप अंदर कुछ भी पहनो ये odd नहीं लगेगा because it is that kind of a top. It's a very sheer, very cute kind of top. I got it in the size small I guess, but fits very perfectly and I got it for like 250 rupees, and for 250 rupees this top is like really good. And the brand is Cage, जो कि आपको अजियो में बहुत ज़्यादा दिखेगा. They have some really good affordable clothes. Like मैंने कुछ तो H&M की dupes भी देखे, तो आप वो brand भी check कर सकते हो. And if you like these kind of tops, you can totally go for it. It's very good. You will look really cute in this top. Okay, so the second top that we have today and one of my favorites is the one right here, which is in green color. It has very beautiful prints all over it. It is a crop top, but it has very like cute vibes to it, so you can definitely wear it to your college. It has very beautiful neckline as well, which is square neckline on the front part and as well as at the back, and it has like ruched detailing, or we call it like smock detailing, for the perfect fitting from your bust area to your waist. And also at the end, like the bottom of this top, you will get these kind of frills which add very cute element to the top. So I love this top. It has very cute feminine vibes to it. आप इस टॉप को किसी भी बॉटम्स के साथ स्टाइल कर सकते हो, एनी हाई वेस्टेड जीन्स और ट्राउजर्स दैट यू हैव, बिकॉज ये टॉप ही ऐसा है, ये किसी के साथ भी जाएगा और बहुत क्यूट लगेगा. इट इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द ब्रांड केज, जो कि पहला वाला टॉप भी था. आई थिंक 3 टॉप तो इसी ब्रांड के हैं, जो कि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये ब्रांड. एंड इसमें मेरा साइज है स्मॉल एंड आई गॉट इट फॉर लाइक 270 रुपीज, एंड फॉर 270 इट इज परफेक्ट टॉप. You can totally go for it. It's very affordable and very cute top. Okay, so the third top that we have today is this one, which is okay, which is very cute top. It is very beautiful color. It's like in the middle of pink and lavender, which is very cute. And it has like a little bit high neckline to it. As you can see, ये बहुत छोटा है and बहुत ज़्यादा stretchable है, and the material is kind of a little bit see-through and very patla. For summers it's fine. It's very cute top. The look is nice, the fitting is nice. ये आपको बहुत अच्छे से हक कर लेगा आपकी बॉडी को. I got it for like only 150 rupees. तो 150 में तो आप इतने expectations भी नहीं रख सकते. ये बहुत अच्छा टॉप है for 150 rupees. You can totally get it for yourself. I got it in the size extra small and the brand is Fire Rose. Yeah, I liked it. You can go for it as well. Okay, so the fourth top that we have today is this one, which is in a very beautiful white color. I really love this top. It's perfect for your office and college. It has very beautiful neckline to it. It has very beautiful like button down thing going on. I don't know what type of collar is this, but it has like band collar or something like that. It is that kind of collar, which adds very like formal element to this top. I liked it. It's perfect for your office, college, any formal, semi-formal events. And yeah, the material is very nice, very comfortable. ये सबसे महंगा आइटम है इस पूरे हॉल का. लाइक इट इज़ फॉर लाइक 346 रुपीज़, जो कि हमारे बजट से भी थोड़ा ऊपर है, लेकिन थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर चलता है. तो या, सो आई लाइक दिस वन. यू कैन गो फॉर इट. Okay, so the fifth top that we have today is this one, which is really a sheer top, but I really like the vibe of it. मुझे बहुत दिनों से ऐसा टॉप चाहिए था, लेकिन मुझे दिख नहीं रहा था, तो मैंने जब इसे अजियो पे देखा और वो स्टॉक में भी था, तो मैंने इसे ऑर्डर कर लिया. एक्चुअली आप ट्राई ऑन में जो देख रहे हैं वो M साइज में है. ये मैंने रिप्लेस करवा के S साइज में ले लिया, बिकॉज तब M अवेलेबल था, स्मॉल साइज नहीं था. अभी स्मॉल साइज अवेलेबल है. यू कैन गेट इट फॉर योर सेल्फ. तो मैंने एम साइज में भी इसीलिए ले लिया था क्योंकि शेयर टॉप्स आर परफेक्ट इवन इफ दे आर अ लिटिल बिट ओवर साइज, बिकॉज आप अंदर से कुछ और तो पहनेंगे ही, तो इसीलिए इट हैज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल पोल्का डॉट डिटेलिंग ऑन इट. The polka dots are not printed, they are actually like a velvet kind of a material. I think this top has a very beautiful sexy vibe to it. It is perfect for your night outs, any party or club or something like that. And yeah, I liked it. I got it for like 228 rupees, which is very affordable for this kind of top because the material is very soft. It is kind of a net material, but the net is very soft. एंड फुल स्लीव्स है इसमें एंड स्लीव्स आर परफेक्टली फुल स्लीव. इट्स वेरी क्यूट एंड लेंथ इज काइंड ऑफ क्रॉप. तो आप इसके साथ कुछ भी ऐसे हाई वेस्टेड स्कर्ट्स, हाई वेस्टेड डेनिम्स, इट विल लुक परफेक्ट. इट इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द ब्रांड केज एंड आई गॉट इट इन द साइज स्मॉल. जो ट्राई ऑन में है वो एम साइज है. तो या, सो द लास्ट आइटम ऑफ दिस हॉल इज दिस ड्रेस विच इज वेरी क्यूट. इट इज बॉडीकॉन ड्रेस एंड अ टी शर्ट ड्रेस, बट मेरे लिए लूज आया तो मुझे बॉडीकॉन फिटिंग तो नहीं आई, लेकिन ये बहुत ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल है. इसका जो मटेरियल है इज़ वेरी सॉफ्ट. अगर आपकी साइज स्मॉल है या मीडियम है तो आपके लिए एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल बिल्कुल परफेक्ट रहेगा. द मटेरियल इज काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रेची एज वेल, सो इफ इट फिट्स यू परफेक्टली देन गो फॉर इट बिकॉज इट इज वेरी नाइस. एंड आई गॉट इट फॉर लाइक 272 रुपीज और 260 रुपीज विच इज क्वाइट अफोर्डेबल फॉर अ ड्रेस. बहुत ही क्यूट वाइब है इसकी. इट हैज वेरी ब्यूटिफुल स्ट्राइप्स गोइंग ऑन जो कि ब्लू, रेड एंड वाइट कलर में है. तो you can totally go for it. It is very cute dress and I got it in the size extra small and the brand is Team Spirit, so you can totally go for it. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. और सारे products के links मैं आपको description box में डाल दूंगी. So make sure you check that out and tell me in the comments down below which one did you like the most. And Ajio still has some sale going on, so make sure you check that out. So yeah, see you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care.